wettest channel on the internet.
Welcome back. If you guys saw part 1, well, the video showed how I got the jet skis on the water with the dabbing, and we also threw the hopper in because we were going to use both of them for today's adventure out in the water. And also my sister came along for the ride that we headed over to one of the very popular nearby islands on the west coast. And once we got to the island, Justin hooked me up with one of his favorite drinks.
He graduated first in his class as a bartender.
And while we enjoyed the cool drink, Olguita was doing her thing. Yep, playing around in the island collecting.
Olguita got an accomplice. And here she is. What are you doing? Can I ask you, what are you doing?
So while she played there with her sticks, we decided to go ahead and explore more of Picnic Island.
Let's go check out the other side. See what people are doing. Want to go with me? Want to check out the other side with me? Come on. Let's go check out the other side. Yeah, this island is pretty cool here. It's right in the middle of the bay. I guess you want to call it between Cape Coral and Sanibel, this island. It's pretty nice. You know, if you don't want to go outside or go too far from your house, you come here. Look at that view there. Awesome right there. And here's the other side. Let's check out the other side. Oh, it's pretty. Oh, look at that bird. Oh, that's pretty cool. This is awesome. Relaxing. Enjoying a late ride on the hopper. Look at this, like a little lagoon looking thing here. Well, I guess this is a lagoon too. It's pretty cool. Got some natives hanging out. This is all about relaxing on the west coast. Chilling. And people ask me, which side you like better? And I say, you know what? I like it both. Because you can have the party side and the relaxing side. And right now we're on the relaxing side. But maybe in the future, we're gonna do a party here. And make sure you guys follow me on Instagram. Because remember, that's where I put my local events. You know, because so many people ask me to do a party here, so maybe I'm gonna do it. So we found some island natives here in their survival. They've been living here for like 3 years. All right, show me. Look at this. What is that? What is that? I guess you're not really a native.
Right, do me.
Okay, see if the natives know what they're doing. I don't think they know what they're doing.
Look, when you're up here, it's hard. When you're down here,
Be careful, don't hit the ground because the sand is hard.
no, this is actually my way. Hold the rope.
Now they go. I'm gonna see you.
Wait.
Okay, we got the youngest native. Ah, pretty good. Not bad.
How do you do it here?
He's gonna try it one more time. Dun, 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 dun. Here we go. The native from the jungle of the west side. I don't know what you want to call that, but I'll leave you guys playing around here.
Now let's go get an update on Olguita's wood chopping.
Here, you want to try it? Ooh. Try it. See if you like it. Like it?
Well, so far so good. We're still dodging the rain. And I guess my sister's going to take an opportunity now and take a jet ski ride. So she's getting the whole full tour. The boat ride, now the jet ski ride.
You guys look like tourists.
Oh look, we have more natives that came out to play. sister made it back from the jet ski ride in one piece. But now we're getting a little bit worried because you know how you feel that cold wind getting closer? That means it's gonna start raining. So yeah, definitely. It's starting to get darker, cooler, and closer. So we're debating if to weather it out here at the island or just take our chances and take off. And here's the part that I missed the hydro sport because it doesn't matter the weather and how hard it's gonna rain because we just closed the icing glass and we're protected. But not today, not here. So we're looking at the radar on the phone and trying to figure out, do we go right, left, or just face the consequences and go right through it? So we have decided to go ahead and face the consequences and start picking up and heading back because we started to feel the raindrops. Well, just in case if you're wondering, what did Olguita do with a big stick? Well, as you see it, she's stuck it on the boat. Hope the stick doesn't poke the cushion. Yep, like you see it, the rain is right in front of us. We could just feel the little drops getting closer and closer and closer, and the wind stronger and colder. When you get that funny feeling and you know you're in trouble and you're gonna get something really big coming, well, we had that feeling right now.
It's right there, buddy.
Oh. Right, I told you.
It's right there. You're gonna get soaked. Look at her holding a stick. Oh my God, we're gonna get soaked. We're gonna get soaked. Oh boy, I feel the cold air. You know what that means. I feel the cold air coming. Right there. There he goes. There he goes. Seawater is colder than, hotter than the air.
Oh, bueno, se le quita un jode, carajo. Oh my God.
Let's do it again, let's do it again.
No, let's not do this again.
Woo!
Woo.
It was a chilly ride home. I ain't gonna lie, I thought I wasn't gonna make it. Man, it was cold.
Y'all think you got the full experience. Full on experience.
Yeah, it was cold.
Water in.
I don't want to make waves for the boat.
Ow! Pero espérate que ya mi orina no me agarra.
Oh, God, it's cold.
Oh my gosh!
What do you want?
Whoa, what do you guys think about my sister's full day of adventure? It turned out pretty wet, right? It started beautiful and it wound up very wet. But that's part of boating, right? You can only plan your day and hope for the best. I guess the only one that came out winning out of this trip was Olguita because she got a lot of driftwood. And I guess we also did too because we got another memorable day for the books. Because this was a boating experience that we're not gonna forget. But the question is, did we learn our lessons to trust the weather report? I guess you guys are gonna have to tune in tomorrow because we went out on the boat again and we got caught in bad weather again.